Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about data registers. How we can use the data registers in XINJE PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XC Pro tool. Double click it on this one and wait until opening the SC Pro tool software. And here just we will create the new project. Click it on the new project and which model you have, that you can select it from here. I have XC242 model, so I will select this one and our new project is successfully created. After you can give the rename also, project name, save, when go to the save as project. Here also when you click it on this one, save as, after you can make the folder and whatever name you can give, go to the new folder. That's procedure already in previous videos I explained. So next, today's our lecture is data registers, how we can use the data registers. First of all, I will take one input address here, LDM100 for example, or any we can choose, and next we will choose the one data registers. With an example, we like to be subtract or division or addition, so we will start from the addition command. I need to some values into the added into and result taken into one specific area, so we have to be choose the data registers. Just only type addition. If you like to use addition, you have to be type add. If you like to be division, choose after you have to be div. That singles in one by one I will explain you. So now we are working at addition command, so we will type the addition ADD, and next you have to be choose one data register, means where you write to value you have to be right. So for an example, first data register in the PLC D0 I will choose, and which value I like to add in the data register in the D0, so I have to be take one more data register, so I will give the name D10 for example, and where I need the answer yani, when means these two data registers I like to be addition and answer I need, so I will take the one more data register D20 for example. So what will be happen when these two values, this D10 and D0, when I write the value, are this value coming from the field, for example analog value or any value or counting value, timer value, that's when you like to be addition, it will be continuously fast addition and answer makes into the D20 and gives you properly. So let's get this first download into the PLC, this program. Wait until it's downloading the program, as it will be 100% completed after think your program is successfully downloaded. And as per seen, our PLC is in stop mode, so we will click it on this icon and our PLC will be goes into the run mode. So now our PLC is now running mode, and you can see here is some now value are showing. When you put some value here at the D0, right click it on the D0, not look like, right click, and you can see edit word REGD0 of value D10, three data registers you can be see, but this is our answer. Here we no need to type, we have to be type two values at the D0 and D10. First we will write at the D0. For an example, 200 I like to be 200, one value is coming from the field is my 200, and click it on the OK, and after second value we have to be right in the D10. So let's edit word at the D10. So here we will type for example 300. This value is coming from the field, this is the 300, and now we need the answer in the D20. Why it's not showing the answer? Because of we put one input address of the this data register. When I make it this one on this one M100, so your answer will be immediately forward in the D20. You can see this is the 200 plus 300 is now 500, right? And for example, this value have another coming, for example, immediately this is 240, for example, coming value. So it will be automatically and transfer into the D20. And if this value will be another coming, for example, this is 34 value coming, after this will be C, 34 and 240, answer is 274. So basically this command look like this command addition command is working look like calculator. Any value when you put at the two spaces, after this will be answer in gives into the third data register. So this data registers why used? Same this value storing, yani when you like to some value have to be read into the PLC, so you have to be choose the in the D form D0, D1, D2, D30, D40, that's you have to be choose. So this value continue you will be get answer into the third data register D20. For an example, one more value will be stored here, 50 for example value coming, and this value we will like to be add in the D10, so we will put, and after you can see this is answer is 84, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this data registers, how and why we use in the program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.